In this video, I will walk you through on how to quickly turn off your iPhone that runs iOS 18. In iOS 17, you can only turn off an iPhone by pressing the side button and one of the volume buttons. But in iOS 18, this is different. There are more options. So let's go and explore this. First, swipe down by the top right to be exposed to the controls. Okay. Then on this control page, you can see the power icon at the top right. Long press on it and then turn off the iPhone. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing, okay? Hit the like button you want to point up like this so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. To learn more on how to access connectivity in iOS 18 and do more on that area, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.